How to convert iPhone video to slow motion. Let us open our iMovie app in order to do so. It is a built-in app of the iPhone, so you should have it on your iPhone. But by any chance, if you have deleted the app, you can go to the App Store and download the app and open the app. Now, once you have opened the iMovie app, click on Start New Project and select Movie. Now choose the video that you want to make slow motion of. After the video is imported to iMovie, click on the video and you will get an option for editing the video. There are a lot of edit options there. Click on the second icon on the bottom. Now adjust the speed of the video according to your requirement, and not to forget, the sound in slow motion isn't very overwhelming, so you can mute that or add some other music to the video. Once the video is set to slow motion, click on Done and then on the Share button and click Save Video. With this, you have saved your slow motion video on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.